Hello, and welcome to Bitstream. Today we will be looking at how to make one of these, a light-assisted voice activation system. Let's take a look. Before we begin, I just want to say, please be careful. AC voltage is dangerous and we are going to be messing with it. If you attempt a project like this, use proper precautions. Be much more safe than I am. You may ask yourself, what did I just do here? Well, it's pretty simple actually. I am plugging in the Christmas lights to the plug by using the black wire and interrupting it through this box. Now this is actually a really special box, it's really cool. Essentially what I can do is I can connect these two terminals to an Arduino, and that controls whether the AC current will actually flow through into the Christmas lights. The real name for the box is a solid-state relay, and the way it works is it takes in a smaller DC voltage, like here it says 3 to 32 volts DC, and then if this is on, then it will allow AC current 24 volts to 380 volts AC to flow. And so I've got this circuit set up here so that when I press this button here, it allows 3.3 volts of current to flow through here. And so when I press the button, you'll see that light comes on. And when that light's on, it means that it is allowing the AC voltage to flow through. I've plugged in the AC voltage now, so I don't want to touch that. Don't touch that. But now, when I press the button, you'll see the Christmas lights come on. And I can do it as fast as I want, and it will respond. By the wonderful power of video editing, I have finished the circuit. So, this is how it works. When anything is playing in the background, like music or talking or anything, it'll go through the microphone of the computer. The computer will amplify it and bring it through this black cord here, which goes to here, to these alligator clips, which end up here on the breadboard. And that amplified signal goes into one of the analog inputs on the Arduino. And the Arduino then takes that and compares it with the value of the potentiometer, and then it takes anything above the potentiometer's value and determines that to be an on signal for the solid-state relay, which turns on the lights. For those using this as an actual tutorial, I will put out schematics for how this works, and I will show you right here how to make the computer amplify the signal. First, you want to right-click on the sound icon, hit Recording Devices, and then over here on the microphone, click it, Properties, and then say Listen. Listen to this device. And for me, one thing I had to make sure was that this microphone level was all the way up, or else it was just super quiet. And click OK, OK. And so now, what happens is that if I move this potentiometer here, as I am increasing the sensitivity, you will see, oh, there it goes. So now as I am talking, you'll see that the Christmas lights are actually coming on to the sound of my voice. I could make it super sensitive like this, to where it almost never comes off because of the background noises, or I can turn it down. And so I actually have to pretty much yell. The herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Joyful all ye nations rise, join the triumph of the skies. When angelicals proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. Hark, the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. One thing you may have noticed is that there is a slight delay between the sound coming in and the lights turning on. And this is because the Christmas lights have a filament inside, and that filament needs to heat up for it to turn on. And if these were LEDs, this would be much, much quicker. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked this video, then give it a good thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a good thumbs down. This was a really fun project to work on, and if you want any of the files, like the schematic or the Arduino file that I used, I've linked it down in the description below. It's on my GitHub. And you can leave a comment, subscribe, like, and just be an awesome person. Have a great rest of your day, and Merry Christmas, 50 days ahead of time. Thanks to those who've stayed this long in the video. Now sit back and enjoy the music.
The halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. Fa la 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 la. Hail the New Year, lads and lasses. Fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together. Fa la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather. Fa la 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 la. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. La 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. Fa la 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 la.
Sing glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Joyful all ye nations rise, join the triumph of the skies. With angelic hosts proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. Hark, the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Heaven-born Prince of Peace, hail the Son of Righteousness. Light and life to all he brings, risen with glory by. Born that man no more may die. Born to raise the sons of earth. Born to give them second birth. Hark the herald angels sing. Glory to the newborn King. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed his lot. We ran into a drifted bank, and there we got upside. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods, rocks, hills and plains repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. No more let sins and sorrows grow, nor thorns infest the ground. He comes to make his blessings flow, for as the curse is found, for as the curse is found, for as the curse is found. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of his righteous righteousness, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. So bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 6th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 7 swans a-singing, 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 8th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 8 maids a-milking, 7 swans a-swimming, 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge